If you are a freelancer right now, you have probably heard one of two stories about AI. Either AI is going to replace you and destroy your career, or AI is going to make you rich overnight with zero effort. Both of those stories are wrong. The truth is somewhere much more useful, and that is what this video is about. Here is the real data. 84% of freelancers now regularly use AI tools, up from 41% just 3 years ago. Freelancers who have adopted AI into their workflows are earning 40 to 60% more per hour than they were before AI arrived. Meanwhile, entry-level project share on platforms like Upwork has dropped below 9%. The freelancers who are struggling are the ones who ignored AI or treated it as a threat. The freelancers who are thriving are the ones who learn to use it as a tool. Today, I am going to show you exactly how to be in that second group. Welcome to the Freelancers Wealth Blueprint. We help freelancers and self-employed professionals build real income, reduce taxes, and create long-term wealth. If that is what you are building toward, subscribe and hit the bell so you do not miss a single video. Let us start with the most immediate way AI increases your income. Speed. The number one constraint on freelance income is time. You can only bill for so many hours. AI breaks that ceiling. If you are a copywriter and a blog post used to take you 4 hours, using ChatGPT or Claude for research, outlining, and first drafts can cut that to 90 minutes. You are not producing lower quality work. You are using AI to handle the scaffolding so you can focus on the strategy, the voice, and the nuance that clients actually pay for. That means you can take on 2 or 3 times the volume of projects without working more hours. Same quality, more output, more revenue. This applies to every freelance discipline. Graphic designers are using Midjourney and DALL-E to generate concept mockups in minutes instead of hours, then refining them with their professional eye. Web developers are using AI coding assistants like GitHub Copilot and Claude to write boilerplate code, debug faster, and build features in half the time. Even bookkeepers and virtual assistants are using AI to automate data entry, draft client communications, and organize workflows. The pattern is the same across the board. AI handles the repetitive foundation. You deliver the expertise on top. Now, here is the second income lever, and most freelancers miss this one completely. AI lets you offer services you could not offer before. Let me give you a concrete example. Say you are a freelance social media manager. Before AI, creating short-form video scripts, caption copy, hashtag research, analytic summaries, and content calendars for 5 clients was a full-time grind. Now, you can use AI to draft scripts, generate caption variations, research trending hashtags, and summarize performance data. That frees you up to add services like AI-assisted ad copy, email sequences, or even basic graphic design using AI image tools. You are not pretending to be an expert in those areas. You are combining your core expertise with AI capabilities to deliver a broader package. Clients love this because they get more from one person. You love it because your average project value goes up significantly. This is exactly why 42% of freelancers say AI has helped them specialize in a niche. It sounds contradictory, but it is not. AI handles the general tasks, which gives you more time and capacity to go deeper into the specific area where your expertise commands premium rates. The third way to use AI is the one that will separate you from the crowd over the next 2 years. Become the human-AI bridge your clients need. Here is a stat that matters. 39% of businesses say a lack of trust in AI accuracy is a barrier to implementation. Businesses know AI is powerful. They do not trust it to run unsupervised. That is your opportunity. Freelancers who can set up AI workflows, review AI output for accuracy, customize AI tools for specific business needs, and translate AI capabilities into real business results are in massive demand. Searches for AI agent expertise surged over 18,000% on Fiverr in 6 months. Upwork saw AI-related work grow 53% year over year. AI specialists on these platforms command $50 to $200 per hour or more. You do not need to become a machine learning engineer. You need to understand how to use AI tools effectively for your clients' specific problems. If you are a marketing freelancer who can set up automated content pipelines using AI, you are worth far more than one who just writes posts manually. If you are a virtual assistant who can build AI-powered client onboarding workflows, you are offering something most VAs cannot. Now let me give you the practical action plan. Step 1. Pick 2 AI tools and go deep. Do not try to learn every tool on the market. If you are in writing or content, master ChatGPT and Claude. If you are in design, master Midjourney and Canva AI. If you are in development, master GitHub Copilot and Cursor. Spend 2 weeks using these tools on every project. You will find your speed increasing within days. Step 2. Audit your current services and identify where AI creates capacity. Look at every task you do for clients and ask which parts are repetitive, predictable, or template-based. Those are the tasks AI can handle, freeing you to take on more clients or add higher-value services. Step 3. Raise your rates or restructure your pricing. If AI cuts your project time in half, but you keep charging hourly, you just cut your own income. Move to value-based or project-based pricing. If a website used to take you 40 hours and you charged $100 an hour, that is $4,000. If AI helps you build it in 20 hours, do not charge $2,000. Charge $4,000 or more, because the client is still getting the same result. Your efficiency is your profit margin. Step 4. Market your AI capabilities. Update your profiles on Upwork, Fiverr, and LinkedIn to mention AI-assisted workflows. 58% of businesses now prioritize AI proficiency when hiring freelancers. If your profile does not mention AI, you are invisible to a growing segment of clients. Step 5. Stay human where it matters. AI is a tool. Clients still hire freelancers for judgment, creativity, relationship management, and accountability. A study from Upwork found that AI achieved 64% task completion working alone, but jumped to 93% when a human expert provided feedback. You are not being replaced. You are being promoted to the person who makes AI actually work. The freelancers who earn the most over the next 5 years will not be the ones who avoided AI or the ones who relied on it completely. They will be the ones who combined AI efficiency with human expertise and charged accordingly. Subscribe for more strategies built for freelancers who are serious about building wealth. See you in the next one. This content is for educational purposes only and does not constitute tax advice. Consult a qualified tax professional for guidance specific to your situation.